Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to walk through exactly how to install the Clean RAM module in AxManager. If you're new here, I actually already made a detailed video on how to install AxManager on any Android phone without needing any root access, so make sure to check that out if you haven't set up the app yet. For those who need a quick refresher, AxManager is a powerful Android application designed to provide deeper control over your apps and the system itself. Unlike other tools such as Kernel SU or those root-based managers, AxManager is specifically dedicated to ADB and non-root mode. It gives you incredible control while keeping your system secure, though it still allows for execution with root access if you happen to have it available. So, let's talk about the star of today's video, the Clean RAM module. You might be wondering why you need this specific add-on. Android is generally good at managing memory, but sometimes, especially with heavier apps or after days of uptime, things get clogged up. This module is a lightweight plugin that integrates directly into AxManager to force clear unnecessary background processes. It essentially refreshes your memory state without you needing to restart the entire device. It is perfect for gamers or anyone who feels their phone getting a little sluggish after heavy usage. It's a safe, script-based way to reclaim performance instantly. All right, let's get this installed. Go ahead and grab your phone and open up the AxManager app. Once the app is loaded, look at the bottom navigation or the main menu grid. You're looking for the Plugins section. It is represented by a puzzle piece icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in the Plugins section, look for a plus icon, usually located at the bottom corner or top right of the screen. Tap that plus icon. This is going to open your System File Manager. Navigate through your Downloads folder and select the Clean RAM module zip file that you downloaded earlier. The installation terminal will pop up. You need to tap on Reignite and then hit the Close button immediately once the process finishes. Don't back out, just hit Close. Now you should be back in the plugin list. Look through the list for the Clean RAM module we just added. Tap on it to expand the options, and right there, you'll see a specific action button. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click that action button. You'll immediately see a screen pop up showing the script executing. It is actively scanning your background processes and clearing out the cache. Watch the screen as it runs the commands. Once it's done, which usually takes just a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation on the screen. Also, keep an eye on your status bar or notification tray. You'll receive a specific notification from the module confirming that the RAM has been cleaned successfully. And that is literally all there is to it. You have now successfully set up a one-click solution to boost your phone's speed using AxManager. It's simple, effective, and doesn't compromise your phone's security. If you ran into any issues or have questions about other modules, drop a comment down below. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Android customization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.